Have you ever wondered how something as simple as the wheel shaped the entire story of human civilization? Today, we're diving into a journey that begins thousands of years ago and continues to this very moment. Long before cars, bicycles, or trains existed, early humans faced a huge challenge: moving heavy things. Imagine dragging stones, food, or wood across rough ground. It was exhausting and slow. But then, someone noticed a simple truth: round objects roll. At first, logs were used to move heavy objects. This was the first spark of an idea that would change the world. Historians believe the very first true wheel appeared in Mesopotamia, about 5,500 years ago. Interestingly, it wasn't even for transportation at first. It was used for pottery. But soon, people realized, if wheels can spin, they can also roll. They attached them to sleds, creating the first carts pulled by animals. For the first time in history, humans could move farther, faster, and with less effort. The wheel spread across the world. Egyptians used it for chariots. The Chinese developed wheelbarrows. The Romans built roads so smooth. The wheel became a symbol of power, progress, and connection. Centuries later, the wheel took on new forms. In the Industrial Revolution, it powered machines and spinning water wheels. On railways, it carried trains that connected entire continents. And then came the modern age. Bicycles gave freedom to the common person. Automobiles reshaped cities and societies. Airplanes touched the sky, all relying on wheels to take off and land. Even spacecraft need wheels, not for flying, but for landing safely on distant worlds. Today, wheels explore places we haven't even set foot on, like Mars. Rovers with durable wheels roll across alien landscapes, carrying our dreams of discovery. The wheel is more than just an invention. It's a story of human curiosity, creativity, and progress. From clay pots to space exploration, the wheel has carried us forward through time. And who knows, the next great chapter of Wheels on the Earth might take us beyond it. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing history stories.